I just got caught in the middle of doing some work. Got a package delivered to me from Spirit Halloween. So let's see what it is. Let's see how it works. I guess, right? Nah, I've been waiting for this for a while. I think I ordered this like August 3rd or August 6th, something like that. I said you could order it. I'm just now receiving it, which is kind of upsetting because I've seen Spirit Halloweens have these in their stores on videos, so I should have got it before the stores, right? I pre-ordered it. But it is like September 20th or something like that, like almost 2 months later, I'm finally getting it. Just to let you know, if you order something from them, it might take you that long. I don't know. But check it out. All right. This will go good out here in my little barn area. I should really keep it in the house. I don't know. I know he's been out here for years and he still works, but his try me button doesn't work too good. So I don't know, maybe buy a new one. Okay. Whew, man, it's hot. I'm sweating like crazy. This looks pretty cool though. Wow. I'm impressed already. So I guess we got to put it together. Alright, do I know how to put something together? The Sam head. Wow. The head. The burlap bag and the head. The sucker. Wow, okay. This is a lot of stuff here, guys. Okay, hopefully you can see what's going on here. Okay, the back side is the butt side there. The Velcro is. You stick there's holes in the feet here. You stick them down inside these pulls here, like so. Sensor right there in the front. There's the feet. Okay. Now we got that done. That's what I go for. Put the padding right here. You're gonna have barn dirt inside your body there, buddy. If you're okay with that, you're gonna have to live with it. Okay, now the big one goes on first, I think. And the small one next. I got dirt all over me. I should have put this together inside the house. Oh well. I don't care. Alright, now, how's this thing going here? Let's see here. It goes up and down. So, thinking. Let's see here. Should be little holes in the front. Here, little hole. Oops. Push them little things down. Push them down. Snap it into place. There. Cool. Now, take this vest. Put it on here. There should be a side with a hole in it. Right there, the side of the hole. Put that over it. Then there's a wire that hangs down. Stick that wire through the front there and connect it, which is a little slot that goes out. Boom. Connect that to the sensor in the front. Okay, now pull his pajamas up. Okay, this is not that hard, but it is hot out. Sweating like crazy. Alright, come on, get in there. Get in there, you stupid. I'd rather have somebody else to put together for me, but hey, at least you know how it's put together. Now Velcro is back side up. Okay, now time for the arms. There's two little things there. You slide it up here and find the holes. Should be pretty simple. Maybe I should have built for the back there. Let's try to get it without taking that back apart. See if I can do it. Oh, no, just take it apart. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is Velcro anyway. There it is. There's one arm. Okay, here's the other arm. So I'm actually seeing it over in pictures. And I don't recall actually seeing it work even, so I didn't want to buy it, but I bought it one day and I thought I didn't buy it, then I did buy it, so whatever. I didn't want to spend the money, but hey, I got it. It looks pretty cool. I'll have it for years. Okay, now let's put this guy on first. Yeah, let's put this on first here. And there should be a thing inside there, which I didn't look for that. There should be a thing inside there so you can just step on a button instead of have a sensor. Let's pull this camera up here. Okay, which I didn't see all the directions. Maybe I just didn't read it properly. But there's a power cord that goes in here. Well, I need to find that real quick. Okay. Thinking about running it up through his foot here. If I can run it up through his foot. Come on, I just dropped you. Okay. I'm not for sure. It might have said in the directions, but I didn't really read them too good. But I'm pretty sure on his foot should work great through his foot. Plugged it in. It's right underneath the try me button. I guess it's like a volume button or a sensor button. Sensitivity. Okay. Put your diaper back on there, Sam. Big crybaby. Okay. Now it's time for the great finale. Okay, let's do it. Oh shit. Alright, that was a work and a half, wasn't it? That's pretty cool, guys. Are you laughing, huh? Little guy? Yeah, that's pretty cool, guys.